Alright, welcome back to another video. Probably the cooler video out of all of them, or the cooler, good English. You don't speak some good English. Probably the coolest and most customizable aspect of your entire site will be the widgets, right here. So the way to get to it, it's under Appearance. You just click Widgets and it takes you right to the screen. Now, your WordPress theme is going to have some default widget, I don't know, decor that already comes with it. All you have to do is find where each of these things are, and this one I think is only in the primary widget area. Yes, I am right. Okay. So find where they are, and then you can see where they are on the site. So recent posts, archives, categories, and meta, or meta, however you want to say it. This is just for admin people, so for logging in and out. I would take that off once you get the opportunity to. You just click it, drag, and drop, and it disappears, and then it's automatically saved because you took that off. So search, recent posts, archives, categories. Search, recent posts, archives, categories, and we've taken off the meta. We will refresh, and it's gone now. Alright, so let's say you want to mess with some of this stuff, which I highly suggest because it is probably the coolest part of any WordPress blog. Just a little side note, if you have a self-hosted blog, there are things called plugins, and if I had to rank coolest feature, plugins would probably be the coolest feature of any WordPress site, because they take your site from the bland whatever it is and make it freaking awesome. Unfortunately, WordPress.com, because it is free, does not allow you to have plugins because they are not monitored by WordPress. It's usually freelance or basement programmers. That's just how it is. Okay, so let's go over this really quick. To add or take away a widget, all you do is grab, click, and then drop, and then you can put it anywhere you want in here. So you can change the order of things. So if you want it at the top, you can. You can title it. So if you just want to, if you want to title it, exactly what the widget is, so you know when you're looking at your site. There you go. Done. You've hit save. Once the little twirly thing goes away, you can just close it like that. And then if you don't want something, like since you don't want the archive or something like that, you just take it and drop it and it disappears. Extremely simple. You can customize the place where things go. Actually, we're not going to do that one because we don't have a URL. I don't know. We'll just put the meta here. Put it in the first here. We'll put pages in the second one. We'll put top post in this one. We'll put tag cloud in this one. And the best thing to do is to is to actually put one widget in each of these little areas, because then you can go through, and by the way, once you put it in there, it's saved. Just because this shows up, it's if you want to save something that you change in here. So if you don't want it to say meta, you can say login. Login, then hit save, and then it changes the title to login. But anyways, so now you come back to the site, you should refresh it, and I put the author grid in above this, and it brings out the author that is writing on this thing. So if there are multiple ones, multiple of their little Gravatar profiles would come up. At the bottom, I put the login stuff, the pages, the top posts and pages. I put tags. So all these great things that we can use to really make our site look professional. Widgets are a great tool and very customizable, and honestly, all they take is a little messing around with. Like for instance, Goodreads, you can put it in here. We'll put it in, we'll just put it in this one. You have to have a numeric ID, so you have to go to Goodreads or something like that and get some stuff. So you have to do some exterior work but I'm not going to go through all those. That would take months. Just find the ones that you think are interesting and then follow through till they work. If you do have questions about it, feel free to contact us, and we can help you out. But this is where you take that step. I hand you seeds instead of you putting the seeds in a vault and then handing it back to me 3 years from now. I give you the seeds. You go plant your own garden. Some may die, but 3 years from now, you hand me back crops instead. So this is where you take the reins and really make it your own. This is how you make your site unique. So have at it. It's super easy and very intuitive. So good luck.